Okay, ngiyavuma ukuthi ukhulele khona, ngiyavuma ukuthi ukhuliswe yilabazali okhuliswe yibo. But at some point in life, you need to stop playing the blame game. Why you blame abanye abantu for your failures in life? Mina, my message to you today ukuthi you must take 100% responsibility, because you are responsible for who you are and you are responsible for where you are. Uyangizwa? So stop blaming your parents for inhlupheko yakho. Stop blaming your environment la ukhulele khona for ukubhayiziseka kwakho elifini. You are responsible 100%, and you must take that 100% responsibility in order for you to become the person that God created you to become. So please, blaming anyone outside of yourself won't help you, and it won't get you anywhere. Just stand in front of a mirror, uzibheke, and blame that man in the mirror, because that man or that woman is responsible for who you are and is responsible for where you are. Take 100% responsibility for your life today.